to get a big fan now.
Oh yeah, dual fan. Graphics card.
Very similar to door turns in the fixed-wing world. Carries out the next manoeuvre, 360 degree nose down quick stop with a Gawdy climb. Vulcan, where the Chinook demonstrated its excess of power compared to other helicopters. It's followed by a 720-degree corkscrew descent from around 1,000 feet. The crewman will remove an extra sandwich about now.
Looking good so far. All right. It's good, this, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Chinook one last year was really good as well.
This is an opportunity for us to demonstrate the unique ability of a helicopter to fly sideways. So ladies and gentlemen, please show your appreciation to the crew today by giving them a big wave in the chair as they pass along the crowd line. As the aircraft passes, you'll notice its 3 hooks used for carrying on the slung loads. These can hold up to 10.5 metric tons. A great ability to carry 3 external loads simultaneously while still carrying a large internal load made the Chinook famous the world over and recently is a workhorse for the Afghan service. The aircraft today weighs upwards of 15 tons, but as you can see it's still highly manoeuvrable, making it an ideal battlefield helicopter, and especially suited for the medical evacuation role. These evacuations involve fast, high-paced manoeuvres to quickly extract casualty from the battlefield, often under enemy fire.
Here it comes.
anyone in theme parks will know the next manoeuvre, the roller coaster.
You'll be hanging on in there, won't you? I won't fancy a curry before that.
I wouldn't fancy anything before that.
I won't fancy doing it.
You will now see Paul make his approach to demonstrate the two-wheeled running landing and rearward two-wheel taxi. This is a unique ability of the tandem helicopter rotor design.
Oh, look.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as they bow for you now, please give a big cheer and wave one last time for the 2013 Chinook Display Day. As border pass, I'd just like to say it's been a pleasure to display for you here today. And on behalf of the team, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at Waddington, and we hope to perform for you all again soon at an event in the near future.
Yes, well, no, Carl, excellent. 558, the series of Great Britain. Marvellous, certainly. On with the show, lots of light, and we look forward already to that comparison of things we have gone ahead already catching us out. But very quickly, please, if you would just listen to a couple of important messages.
If we were to bomb this up fully, we could carry about 8 Hellfire missiles today, about 36 rockets, and enough firepower, I think, to take on those things. And you get a great view of those now, as you can see. You've got the rocket pods on the outside there as he flies away, and he didn't take on the enemy. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You can see Captain Ross now moving the 30mm cannon underneath there. Cannon got a range out to about 4.2 kilometres, equates to just over 2.5 miles, so it's a fair old distance.